If you clicked on this video, it means you want to grow your Minecraft YouTube channel. You're likely one of two people. You already have a channel, but you're stuck at 0 views, or you're finally ready to start one. If that's you, you're in the right place. Tip 1. Stop being a general Minecraft channel. The biggest mistake new creators make is saying, "My niche is Minecraft." Minecraft is way too big. If you post a survival let's play on Monday, a Skywars montage on Wednesday, and a redstone tutorial on Friday, the algorithm will have no idea who to show your videos to. You need a sub-niche. Look at what's trending right now. Hardcore 100 days, challenges, civilization experiments, lifestyle SMP style content, niche mod showcases. Pick one and stick to it for at least 10 videos. Don't fall into shiny object syndrome. If you see a parkour video go viral, don't drop your hardcore series just to chase it. Consistency in your sub-niche is how you build a real fan base. Tip 2. The mirror quality test. If you aren't getting views, your quality might be the issue. Here's a test. Watch your latest video, then immediately watch a video from a creator like Luke Then Notable or Parrot X2. Notice the difference? It's usually not the graphics, it's the storytelling. Before you hit record, ask yourself, what is the goal of this video? Don't just record yourself playing. Script your intro so it hooks the viewer in the first 5 seconds. If you're doing a 100 days challenge, give us a reason to care about day 1. Study how top creators edit out the boring parts like mining or traveling and only keep the action. Tip 3. No gear? No problem. Stop saying you need a $2,000 PC to be a YouTuber. Some of the biggest Minecraft Bedrock creators record and edit entirely on their phones or tablets. Recording. Use OBS for PC or any high-quality screen recorder for mobile. Editing. Use CapCut. It's free and has all the transitions, zooms, and sound effects you need to make a Minecraft video feel fast-paced. Voice. If you're shy, you don't even need a mic. Use text-to-speech or high-quality on-screen captions with upbeat music. It works for Minecraft Facts and Shorts channels every single day. Tip 4. Feed the algorithm regularly. YouTube is a marathon. You might post a high-quality video and get 10 views. You aren't unlucky. The algorithm is just learning you. Aim to post once or twice a week. Don't aim for perfection, aim for improvement. If your last video had a boring middle section, use more zoom-ins in this one. If your audio was quiet, fix it in the next one. Small, 1% improvements every week will eventually lead to a viral hit. Tip 5. Use power keywords and visual hooks. You need to use keywords that people are already searching for. Minecraft has power phrases that always work. I survived, 100 days in, the secret to Minecraft, but pair these with a clean thumbnail. Don't just use a random screenshot. Use a free tool like Canva or Pixlr. Take a screenshot of a dramatic moment, like standing over a lava pit or a giant build. Increase the saturation so the colors pop, and add a maximum of 3 words in a bold font like bangers or luckiest guy. Growing a Minecraft channel in 2026 is hard, but if you pick a sub-niche and focus on storytelling, you will stand out. If this helped you, drop a like and comment Minecraft so I know you made it to the end. Subscribe for more growth guides. See you in the next one.